Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a quick get ready with me just for the end of the summer. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies, yes, I'm in a completely different place. As I'm taping this will be the end of summer. Well, technically the end of summer is not until September 20th, I think, 22nd, something like that. But it is after Labor Day, so it is the end of summer. But anyway, it's been a crummy summer for me. I'm not gonna lie. If you guys don't know, I had an accident in mid-July and I fractured my back, so I'm still recovering, but girl, I've been in the house for like over 5 weeks. I've been in the house for over 5 weeks, so I decided to go to the beach. I live in New Jersey, just for a couple of days, just for a change of scenery, just for a little bit of mental R&R. So yeah, so this is where I am. So I figured we could do a quick get ready with me. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is all that I brought down, girl. You know. I used like maybe 4 things out of it, but I did bring my Allie Glines bag with my makeup, and then I also brought my my sponges and my brushes. So that's what we're gonna do. So nothing crazy, of course. You know, I've been just taking my walks. I'm gonna go in with the Colleen Rothschild. This is the illuminating eye tint that I love. No, I do not have a mirror. Yes, I'm ill prepared, but I think I have a little mirror from this Rare Beauty, which I've been loving. I'll just use that. But anyway, nothing earth-shattering. My hair is a mess. I really can't do much, but you know, now I went to the doctor before I came down here. So super surprised that he wanted me out longer than I thought, but I totally understand. Like we redid the x-ray, you know, it's still there. It is healing, but you know, I do very heavy work at work. So he's like, there's no freaking way that you're gonna be able to do that. So we're gonna start with PT soon, because I'm like so stinking stiff. But anyway, that's where we're at. How has your summer been going? And listen, I'm not complaining. I mean, granted, not what I expected, but I made a commitment to myself that this go around, because I'll be home for a few more weeks again. Girl, change your attitude. It is what it is. You have limitations, but things that you can do, let's do it. So I am super grateful. I mean, with that being said, I mean, I'm grateful nothing more detrimental didn't happen. So these are the 2 eyeshadow palettes that I brought down, the little minis. Actually, I just did a video on this one. This is a Natasha Denona Mini Rose palette. So I brought this one, and then I also brought the My Dream, which I absolutely love. So I think we're gonna try this one, because you know, it's a nice casual day, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in, you know, girl, the usual. I'm gonna go in with this, then the dark, you know, light to dark, you know how it goes. Curiously, leave me some comments below. What did you guys do this summer? Are you a summer girl? Are you a winter girl? Fall, spring? I know it's been hot as hell this summer. I've been enjoying it. I really have. I mean, prior to my accident, I was even telling my husband, I'm like, I know, I mean, I don't remember it being this blazing hot in a really, really long time. But I'm like, but I am so enjoying it. Now, granted, my job is not outside. I don't have to work outside. My God, I can't imagine these poor people. My eyelid right here is a little bit swollen. I don't know if it's a hive, or like sometimes, oh, P.S., it's echoing, there's nothing in the house. Sometimes if I sleep too heavy, and you know, I'll sleep like on my eyes. I know that sounds crazy, but sometimes my eyelids get swollen. Okay, pretty, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with a darker color. I'm gonna use the same brush. It's the BK Beauty 201. And I'm gonna just keep it on the outer edge. So, but anyway, like, what season do you guys enjoy? I love summer. And then I love spring. Listen, I love spring, I love summer, I love fall. I'm just not crazy about winter. Although I do love like the snow and the fireplace. I just don't want to drive in it. I don't want to go to work in it. I don't want it to be like, you know, 12 degrees out. But it is pretty though. Look how beautiful this palette is. I don't know, this looks so freaking dark. to me, but hopefully during editing, we'll figure it out. That is so pretty. I'm gonna change my brush. I'm gonna go for like something a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna go in with that darker shade. And I'm gonna just tap. I have hooded eyes, you guys know that. I'm gonna try and stay centered. And once I see that I like the placement, then I will work from there. So anywho, what have you guys been doing this summer? Are you glad summer is over? Do you feel sad? Like, I don't know where you live. I live in New Jersey, but we're not used to like the kids going back to school before Labor Day. But dang it, some of the kids have already gone. That breaks my heart. I'm like, wait, what? I'm so glad my kids are done with school, because that would make me so stinking sad if I had to send them to school before Labor Day. That stinks. Whatever I have left over on the brush, I'm gonna just blend inward. Okay, listen, I thought this was gonna be like a cute little light summery get ready with me, but it's kind of looking kind of sultry, right? Kind of smoky. It's okay. Let's pretend we're going out. How about this? We're going to like a foo-foo lunch. How about that? We'll do that. This is so stinking pretty. I'm gonna just take a little bit of it on the side of it, and I just wanna tap like on my moving lid right here. This is like the first time I've had like some quiet time to myself. Everybody went out for like lunch, brunch, whatever, and I just didn't feel like going. Like my stomach was bothering me a little bit last night, so I figured let me just pass. I'm gonna take this flatter brush right over here. This is the BK Beauty 209. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I think I'm going to just use my finger. I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna just tap this on my moving lid, getting as close as possible. Look at that, how pretty that is. God, I hope you can see this. That is so, so pretty. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna change hands, because I feel like when I use my right hand, I can't get like in here. So I like to change hands. That is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorge? And then what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop right here for now. Let me just put the concealer on, because then we'll just finish the eyes, and then the eyes will be done. Now, you know I wasn't gonna go anywhere without my girlfriend, the Natasha Denona. This is the N3. That Colleen Rothschild, it does give you a little bit of a tint, which I absolutely love. You don't even have to wear concealer. You could just use the tint and go on your merry way. But I figured, you know, we're here. We are here. And yeah, just a tiny, tiny bit. The weather has been okay-ish. I did end up getting to the beach one day, which was more than enough. It's just, it wasn't even like the walking, because, you know, my doctor wants me to keep on moving, you know, do as much as I can, like don't stay stagnant. But girl, walking on sand, wow, that was tough. But that's basically what I've been doing. Actually, I want to get like a smaller brush. I take this smaller brush, and I'm going to take the same color that we put on the lid and just put it in my inner corner. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that so nice? But anyway, so that was more than enough. Plenty for me. But that's it. I've been just doing some walking. That's about it for like, you know, the exercise part. Let me just set my under eyes so we could just finish the eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty. This is the Rare Beauty tinted pressed finishing powder, and I got mine in porcelain. At first I was like, oh, you know, obviously I'm not porcelain, but they're tinted, so I'm so happy that I got like the lightest shade. Cause look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? So I'm gonna just do that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna take that brush again. And I like to mix like these two colors. This one and this one, because you know, girl, I like a shimmer underneath my eyes. So I usually just like tap like right on the tip, tap the brown, and I just tap that little shimmer there. It looks so stinking pretty. Just tap it. I'm gonna just put most of the color on the outer edge, and I'm gonna just sweep what I have left over. on a little bit too darker than I would have liked, but that's okay. Let's clean this little lover up just a tiny bit because I really didn't want that much darkness. And then I'm gonna go back in just with the shimmer part and go over it just to lighten it up a little bit. Ooh, that is so stinking pretty. Yeah, girl, this is nothing light and fluffy. This is sultry, but it's okay. All right, cool. So that is it for the eyes for now. Going in with my usual, girl. This is the Essence Stay in Place. So I figured eyeliner. You know how much I love this. It's so good. I'm gonna just tight line real quick. Okie dokes. Wow, that is pretty. I did bring with me the NARS. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. It's clammy down here. It's clammy down here. I really didn't want to have like full foundation. This has been perfect. So I'm gonna just shake this little lover. Do I have to? I'm not really sure. It's getting super duper sunny out. So I'm gonna just use that much. Even that's too much. So I'm gonna just dot. I like to dot. I'm just gonna go in with my Stands Out sponge. Yep, it's dirty. But I did wash everything before I got here. So that's nice. So even though I'm sad that summer is over, I'm looking forward to the fall. We have a great farm where we live. We'll get pumpkins, even though the girls are adults. Now, when I say the girls are adults, I'm talking about like my younger one. The older one, but the younger one, she still likes to go pumpkin picking. She still likes to carve out pumpkins. You know, thank God she still likes that because, you know, it makes me still feel like they're kids, which is so nice. This is, look how pretty this is. Isn't that gorgeous? Light and sweet. So nice, and I still have so much left over. So I did not need all that. Let's see here. Love this. You know how much I love this. This is the Give Beauty. This is the Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer in Toastin'. It is so nice. So I'm gonna go in with the BK Beauty. This is the 106. I really love this brush for my foundation, but it is so nice. I love that it's got like just enough density to it. Look how pretty that is. But enough flexibility that it's blendable. I just pinch it to do my nose. That is more than enough. And then whatever I have left over, I'm gonna just take it around the chinny chin chin, down the neck, nothing crazy. That's beautiful. Then I'm gonna take the 107 and I'm gonna go into the powder, but just lightly dust it on. Yeah, see, that's a lot. So be careful. Maybe I could just pat. We'll fix that in a minute. I have my City Beauty lips on, but I'm gonna just close my mouth because I just like to put a little bit of a shadow around my mouth. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go back in, girl. If you make a mistake, just go back in with whatever tool you used for your foundation and just either pat it, go around the edges, whatever you feel you need to do. Wow, that is so pretty. I look so tired today. I really didn't sleep well last night, but it's okay. It is what it is. This is one of my newer products. This is the Huda Beauty, who the hell could see her blush, but it's in cotton candy. It smells, you know how I feel about smells. It smells so damn good. Let me just grab my brush. I have the Refer 04. It smells so pretty. I got it in cotton candy. Look how pretty that color is. I got it in cotton candy and strawberry something, but look at that. Is that gorgeous? That is so pretty. Real nice. Now that I'm remembering, I did put a powder on, like the bronzer, and it's not picking up, so that's a good thing. Pretty. Ooh, that is so beautiful, isn't it? My hair is a disaster, but that's the only thing, like when you go to the beach, I don't know where you live, but whatever, everything's always so clammy. Like I don't even bother doing my hair. It gets so daggone frizzy down here. I just throw it back and gel it. So that's that for now. Oh, by the way, let me just do my eyebrows. I haven't been doing a lot of eyebrows. I've been just using this NYX Thick It, Stick It Brow, and I've been just using that. That's it. So just a tiny bit. I wish the wand was a little bit smaller. I really love this product. It's just a wand. Because you know I'm gonna make a mess. You know that. I'm gonna totally make a mess. That's good. So that is that. We did that. I'm gonna just curl my eyelashes. Did I bring my eyelash curler? I know I did. I'm gonna just curl my eyelashes real quick, the Maybelline Sky High, and then we will do the lips and be done. Okie doke, so that's it. But of course I forgot. Hello, highlighter. The Juvia's Place. You know how much I love it. The Juvia's Place. This is the volume 3. I don't know why I always forget to put a highlighter on. Like, what the hell? So I'm gonna just go on the tip of my nose, tiny bit. Give it tiny. This is so blinding. I love this palette. But you know what? You can only order it online. I have never seen it in the stores, or let's just say I haven't seen it in quite a few years. Oh, that is so pretty. Okie dokie, so that is that. Let me just pat my lips and just take my lips off just a little bit. So nice. You know I was going nowhere without this little lover right here. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. Girl, I'm going nowhere without it. So nice. Look how beautiful that is, right? I'm gonna just pat them together. I'm gonna just tap, and then I brought down the Makeup by Mario. These are his super satin lipsticks in Midtown, which you know how much I love. So pretty. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So that is the lip smacking. Let me just touch up the bottom lip right over here. Perfect. I'm gonna use this powder to set. It's so nice. With my little pufferoonie here, I'm gonna just do this and then tap just where I feel I'm a little bit shiny. Girl, it's hot down here. I do have my Milk Makeup setting spray, but it's upstairs. Did I bring it? No. And that's it. I think this is it. What do you guys think? Let me see here. I think it came out so stinking pretty. You know, when you're not home, like everything is kind of like off kilter a little bit, but I think this came out so nice. Am I missing anything? No, I don't think so. Anyway, so this is it, guys. This is my get ready with me for the end of the summer. I guess the last get ready with me for the summer of 2024. So that is it, guys. I hope you had a fantastic summer. Please be safe. Be careful and take care of yourselves. And yeah, so this is it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.